Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and AlphaCool. Rafael from eTeknix.com, and this is a slightly different video purely because some of you may know from what you've seen on social media that we're actually heading out to Computex 2018 very soon in Taipei, Taiwan. So we thought this would be a good opportunity to look through kind of some of the stuff that we're going to be taking with us. We get questions all the time as to what kind of camera equipment we use, what sort of gadgets and things that we take along with us to help us on our journey. So let's jump in and take a look. Starting with the bag. Now this bag was actually given to me by Supermicro at CES 2018. Now the reason I like it is it's pretty lightweight but still really good quality. It has a few cool features on it as well. So you have a little zip sort of pouch on each side, but the main thing I like is the fact that when your laptop's in there, you can't actually open it from the front, you have to do it from the back. So a bit of a security feature really, that once it's on your back, you know, it can't really be taken off. So once you unzip it, you will see that there is space for a laptop, so I will be putting my my new laptop in there. Plenty of room for sort of, you know, bits and bobs, and there is a little pouch here for a power bank. Now I'll show you why it actually has that particular pouch. Now on the side, once you put your power bank in there, and it does come with the included cable, it does have this little connector. So this is a USB connector. You can just plug a USB cable straight into there, into your device and slip it in your pocket. So nice and easy, but really sort of, you know, a vital thing to do for someone who's on the go like us. When it comes to headphones, I've decided to take the one more, I think it's the H707 with me. So this is a great quality set of over-ear, not quite over-ear, but more on-ear headphones. Great quality, amazing sound, high-res audio, and pretty lightweight as well. So this is going to be perfect. Now, if I want to use them in conjunction with my phone, because I have got an iPhone 10, I've got this little adapter which will take it from 3.5mm to Lightning. So thank you, Apple, for having the courage to do that. That's sarcasm, by the way. We also have for storage, because obviously our laptops only have limited storage, SanDisk, their Extreme SSD portable drive. It's a 1TB drive. Absolutely tiny for what it is, but yeah, 1TB, and it has USB Type-C. It does come with an adapter to take that to a conventional USB Type-A, but my laptop actually does have Thunderbolt, so I'll be fine using that. Apple, I do have the Apple Watch. This is the Series 3 with cellular, so this is going to be perfect for sort of keeping, you know, track on how many steps I'm doing, because that's really important, and also notifications that may be coming through without taking my phone out of my pocket. Mouse mat wise, I actually got given this by Scan Computers, and essentially what it is 3XS Systems branded, and also Corsair. Now sticking with Corsair, I have got the Corsair Dark Core RGB SE mouse. This is a great little wireless mouse, works on wireless 2.4 GHz as well as Bluetooth, really lightweight, and obviously it has got the included receiver as well. Now we are going to be on 2 flights in total. One of them is going to be 12 hours long, so we need a little bit of light entertainment. So I have got my Nvidia Shield, which has got a 64GB memory card in there. I've downloaded some stuff from Netflix, so I'll be good to go with that. If I want to do a bit of light gaming on there, so maybe some emulators and things, then I do have the Shield controller as well that I can pair up with it, and off I go. I can play Mario Kart 64 while I'm on the plane. Obviously, keeping devices charged while we're on the go is important, so I have got this Corsair power bank. It's really slim, gives you indication for how much charge you've got, and if you double press it, it has got a little light as well. It has got 2 outputs, one is 2.1 amp, one is 1 amp, but it's perfect for keeping my phone charged, keeping the batteries from my camera charged, and so forth. Speaking of my phone, I've got the iPhone 10, 64 gig. It is the white one, and perfect for, you know, taking some light photography, because it has got a really good camera or set of cameras on there. Passport, obviously need one of them to get out of the country, otherwise I'm not going anywhere. And because it is Taiwan and it's about 38 degrees at the moment, I have got just some sort of refreshing wipes just to kind of, you know, keep me looking fresh. Now, camera battery wise, I have got a quick charger with 2 spare batteries, and I can't actually show you the camera because I'm actually filming on it now, but it is a Sony a6300 with a 16mm Sigma lens. For the card that's in there, the SD card, we have got a Lexar Media card reader, and then also some adapters and things as well, just in case we need them. So that is basically everything that I'm taking with me. Now, I'm not going to Computex alone. I will be taking my editor Pete with me, and he'll be doing all of the written content on eTeknix.com while I do all the videos. So that's everything kind of for me. So now let's talk about what Pete's actually taking with him. Again, we'll start with the bag. Now, I've actually got one of these bags myself, but because of the size of my laptop that I've got, which I will come to at the end of this because it's probably the most special part of this whole thing, my laptop won't actually fit in one of these due to the size of it, hence why I'm taking the other bag. Pete's got a slightly smaller laptop, so he can get away with the Low Pro Event Messenger 250. This is a great little thing. It has Velcro for security, space for your laptop in here, loads of compartments that could be chopped and changed around, and a little zip bit as well, with side pouches for sort of water bottles and things like that. Mouse mat, again, he has the same one, the Scan 3XS branded with Corsair mouse mat. Really sort of lightweight, can roll up and not take up much room. This is a favourite of Pete's as well. This is the Roccat tie-on mouse. Absolutely great, and he's been using one of these for sort of several years and just keeps replacing them as they get kind of tired and old. It isn't wireless, but it has got a braided cable, so really, really good quality. Again, Pete's got an NVIDIA Shield tablet, so he can watch all of the favourite things that he wants, and then he's got his Xbox controller, which he can pair up with it so that he can play some games on the plane as well. Again, passport to get out of the country. Phone-wise, he's got the Samsung S9, recently upgraded to this, and absolutely fantastic picture quality as well, hence why we don't need to take any extra cameras with us because we can just use our mobile phones. Power bank-wise, he's using his trusty OnePlus power bank. I'm not actually sure on the... okay, so this is a 10,000 milliamp as well. Again, pretty lightweight and quite small form factor. Sunglasses, because you never know, it might be sunny there. We also have a cable for charging his phone, and he's got a set of headphones as well, which are made by AKG. We will be linking all of these products in the description below, so you can check them out on Amazon and feel free to buy them. Yes, we do get a little bit of a kickback from it. We've also got Philips noise cancelling wireless headphones. I've tried these out myself and they sound absolutely amazing. Perfect, you know, lightweight, pretty sort of portable and everything as well. Now, laptop wise, this is kind of where it gets really interesting. So when you're at one of these trips, you want to kind of get the good balance of having a powerful laptop while also remaining pretty lightweight. So we reached out to Asus and they ended up sending Peter this, which I believe is the UX580, I believe it is. Might be the 480. Not completely sure. I'm not completely clued up when it comes to the lifestyle products. But either way, you can see the pure sort of beauty of this. Has got an i7 processor in there and a 940MX GPU, 1080p screen, and it weighs literally nothing. Harman Kardon speakers in there, so it's going to be perfect for, again, a little bit of light editing and sort of, you know, stuff on the go. Gorilla Glass and everything, fantastic laptop. Now, speaking of laptops, this is what takes me on to the next one, which is the Asus Zephyrus. Now, I actually reviewed this myself in a video. Check that out, link is in the description. And I liked it so much that I went out and bought one myself. Now, this is actually the newer model, so this has only really just come out recently. It's got an 8th gen Core i7 processor. I think it's the 8650H, 6-core processor, and has got a GTX 1080 Max-Q design graphics card in there. Absolutely perfect for rendering, so all of these videos, such as the one that you're watching right now, are all going to be edited on this particular laptop. It is expensive, but it is fantastic, and something that as soon as I had this laptop, I knew that I wanted it, hence why I went out and bought it. Cost about £2,800 at the time. There are slightly cheaper ones if you want the one with the GTX 1070 in there, but I wanted the Big Daddy one. Battery life's not going to be great compared to the other laptop, but we have kind of that nice balance of having something for editing, something that's lightweight. So when we are on this trip, it's going to be perfect. So that's pretty much it, really. We've got a couple of hours to go until we actually get to the airport at the time of recording this, and then we're going to be straight on our first flight to Hong Kong, and then after that on to Taipei, where we will have so much coverage from Computex 2018. So if there's anything in particular that you want to see, make sure you put a comment below, and we'll make sure that, you know, we go to that specific booth and try and get you some video content as well as some written content as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.